Ladies and gentlemen, we've got Brad Kimes. I would call him the main character of the XRP Unleashed, next to none other than digital asset investor, two OGs in the space. Brad, I just want to get your take, sir. What was it like, or what has it been like seeing yourself on screen on all 7 premieres nationwide?
And look, it's mind-blowing, and I don't really like to see myself on screen per se, but I would say that I'm just more impressed with what they've done, and I'm proud to be a part of it. I'm humbled and honored to be a part of it. And look, I'm super excited because all of this is really about people standing up as an American patriot, right? And that's really what really caught fire as a wave in this thing. And I don't think this is over by a long shot. And people out there, I just want to say, if you haven't seen this and you think you followed ETHgate the whole way through, I know I have, and I've been a part of it. But there are things inside of here that you just don't know, and it's a bombshell. So please go watch the film.
This will be my 7th time, and I'm still learning something every time. It's jam-packed. Brad, before I let you go, what do you think the impact of what you're doing today as a podcaster or a content creator has on the future role in the political landscape?
You know what? I don't know. But I know that at some
You're being modest, Brad.
Here's what I'll say. I'm an American patriot. He's an American patriot. John Deaton's an American patriot. And everybody else that stood up and joined in is an American patriot. Because that's really what is at the heart of this thing. And every once in a while in life, you may come to a crossroads where you have to make a decision whether you're going to, am I going to die on this hill? And this hill was worth dying for. So I'm going to stay on this hill. We're going to fight to make sure that we get our government back the way we need it. Because it really is an example, a micro example of what's wrong on a macro level.
Well said. Get engaged, people. It's never too late, and especially when you're on the team of someone like Brad Kimes, a digital asset investor, you're bound to win, or at least be on the right side of history. Brad, is there anything that you could share with the audience about XRP Las Vegas 2025?
I sure can. It's going to be amazing. May 30th, May 31st at MGM Grand at Las Vegas 25 is going to be out of sight. Just you wait. And if you've been to XRP Las Vegas at all, I can tell you right now, you haven't seen anything yet.
Oh man, I'm already excited. I can't wait there. And you know what? I'm not the biggest fan of Las Vegas, but I'll go there every year, back to back, just to go to XRP Las Vegas. Brad, how can those in the audience find out more and learn about what you're doing day to day? I know you're making 2 videos nonstop. How can those in the audience learn about what you're doing in DPMG, D for all the above?
I would say you can go to digperspectives.com. You can get any information you need about the channel on YouTube. And if you want to find out about XRP Las Vegas itself, I would say just go to xrplasvegas.com and watch out, because not too long from now, tickets are going to be on sale.
Oh.
Come on in.
Oh, man. Thanks, Brad. Appreciate you, sir. Appreciate it. Love you mucho. Thanks for everything, Brad. We're all here because of you guys.
Hey, man.
Thank you.
It's everybody.
Yeah,
it's everybody.
Thank you.